Here is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are coming in with a set of Valentine's nails today. I have already started on the first coat of this beautiful, beautiful red by Beetles. Here's the bottle. It is number 478. It is like a lipstick red. Our accent nail is going to be Strawberry Ice Cream by Modelones. It's a mini. I love this color too, and they will go very good together, hopefully. So we're going to paint these babies. Already got the first color on the red, as you see. We are going to go in with our pink, which is going to take, probably 2 swipes over. Give it 2 really good coats. And take that off. Finish this up. Pop it in the lamp. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. Hope you all like the two together. And we're going to see what we're going to do with them. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30. I'm using a new lamp from Medina just to check it out. The one thing I don't like about it is the controls are on the back and you can't see them if you're in the front, which I am. So the sensor on it is kind of real sensitive, I'll say. But so my hand's got to stay in there with the little peg, the nail stand. So whatever. We'll do that. We'll hold it in there for 30 seconds and let that cure. Then we're going to go back in for a second coat. And hopefully that will be opaque. That's my plan. We've got 10 seconds left to go. Since I did move my hand in and out, it's going to take just a few seconds longer. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. There's the first coat cured. I'm going to go in with the second. I'm getting probably towards the middle end of the bottle. These don't last forever. I do really, really like this color. At the end of your nail. I'm going to let it sit here for just a second, let it self-level. Put that off to the side, and I am going to go in for a second coat of the red as well. So I'm going to put these in the lamp to cure for 1 minute this time. And I will pause during that brief intermission. Right, listen to me. Can you sit with me for 1 minute? Listen to me babble. Whoops. Whoopsie. Getting a dry brush. Trying to be more light-handed on my coats. Wipe off one side of your brush for a while. Make sure you get both ends coated of your nail. You know how to paint your nails, ladies, right? I ain't gotta tell you how. So there we go. Our nails are painted. I'm popping this one back on. Whoops. I'll put these in there for 60. And I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, fresh out of the lamp. We're going to top coat and put some bling on the thumbnail. Whoops. The best that I can without it being on my flexi hand. Whoops. Whoopsie. Just got done watching Nailed by Nikki. So check out her new video. She was saying your thumbnail always has to have bling. And maybe that's why I always put it on the thumbnail. I don't know. But I always do. Okay. Whoops. We got slippage. I don't know where that one went, but it went. I'm going to hurry and stick these in, give them a little bit of a flash cure. Hopefully they stay in place. That's my goal. That is my goal. Okay, they should be in place there. I'm going to go in with another little bit of top coat. Don't ever put it on the gems. It'll take away their shine, and you don't want to take away their sparkle. I have a sign hanging up in the middle of my board in front of me, and it says, "Never let anyone dull your sparkle." A very good friend gave that to me when I first started out on Instagram and YouTube. D_@neighborhood. I won a giveaway of hers, and she put that in there for me. And I don't know, I've always just loved it. And that hangs up there, and I look at that every day. And it's true. Whoops. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. So we are adding some sparkle. So let me arrange these babies just a little bit. Let me see here. It's hard to see with the lights. I feel like I need one more over here. There. I'm going to pop this one in for a little bit of a flash. And we'll be done with those. On the accent nail, the ring finger, I am going in with some red sequin hearts. They'll be really cute. Just putting a couple of them on. And then we will cure all the rest of the nails together. Hope you guys are going to have a great Thursday. I almost put this up a day early. She almost got 4 videos out of me this week. I can't really remember where I got these. I don't remember if it was from Nails of Interest. If it was off AliExpress. I can't remember, but Nails of Interest, if these were from you, honey, I thank you. I think they're really cute. Really cute. So we're going to top coat the rest of the nails now and pop these in for a full cure, which is 60. Oh, I should pop this in really quick. So let me pop that in. Let me hold that in there for a few seconds for a flash cure. That way I can get that out of the way and re-top coat them. Sorry about this. And I gotta hold my hand in there because of the sunset. I'm not sure where it's at. This is a new lamp I'm playing with. Like I said, it's from Medina. I don't have the link for it right now. I've had this lamp for months. I did do a review on it, I believe, so check out my old videos. I don't know if I did a video on it or not. That's horrible. Really horrible. And if I did, it would have been months ago, like I said. And if I didn't do a review on it, that is my bad. Love the lamp. It is digital, so I like that. That is a plus. But I don't like that the controls are all the way in the back. And if I'm in the front, which I am, I can't see them. So now we're going to stick this in for a full 60 cure, and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp, as I say. This was our last and final cure, and I think these turned out really cute. Really like the thumbnail. I like the accent nail. I do call these like a sweetheart type of, I call all Valentine's nails sweetheart nails, so excuse me for that if I'm wrong. But I think these turned out really cute. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click the bell down below and click all so you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week, usually Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday mornings. So keep that in mind. I'm also going to be having some giveaways coming up here. I could be announcing the first on Friday the 31st. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned. Keep your ears peeled into the ground. And as always, have a blessed day. Thank you.